Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable font awesome icons in Squarespace blocks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the specific page where you want to disable font awesome icons. Click on the edit button to enter the page editor mode. Locate the block containing the font awesome icon you wish to disable. Click on that block to open the block settings. In the Block Settings window, look for the Design tab. Under the Design tab, find the options related to icons or advanced. If you see an option to remove or hide icons, select it. If not, you may need to add custom CSS to disable the icons. To do this, go to the Design section of your website. Select the Custom CSS option. In the Custom CSS box, enter the code to disable font awesome icons. You can add .fa, .fab, display, none. This code will hide all font awesome icons from displaying on your site. After entering the code, click Save to apply the changes. Preview your page to ensure that the icons are no longer visible. If satisfied, exit the editor and return to the main site. You've successfully disabled font awesome icons in your Squarespace blocks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.